This is the brief on the stock market. The stock market can seem like this giant, complicated casino, right? Just for people in suits. But really, it's just a tool. And once you get it, it's one of the most powerful ways to make your money work for you. Okay, so first, what even is a stock? Just think of a company as a giant pizza. A single stock, or a share, is just one little slice of that pizza, a tiny piece of actual ownership. Now, companies sell these slices because building stuff, like new factories or phones, is super expensive. This way, they get cash without needing a bank loan. And for you, well, you buy a slice, and if the company grows, your slice gets more valuable. Second, why do the prices go up and down? It's really just supply and demand. If a company makes an amazing new product, everyone wants a piece of that company, so the price goes up. But the real reason you should care is a big one: inflation. See, money sitting in a bank account actually loses its buying power over time. The market, though, has historically grown faster than that. And finally, it's all about mindset. Prices are going to swing around like crazy in the short term, that's for sure. But the secret is patience. Don't treat stocks like lottery tickets. Instead, think of them like a garden. You plant some seeds, you wait, and you let time do all the heavy lifting. And hey, you don't need millions to start. You can get going with just $5 on an app. So really, investing is just buying slices of companies to beat inflation, with the patience of a gardener, not the luck of a gambler. Just remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now.